Okay guys, good afternoon. Subukan naman natin itong bagong recipe ng potato. So first, lagyan natin ng cumin seed. Cumin seed po. Ganito siya. Cumin seed. And then, ilagay na po natin itong onion. Ito yung mga ingredients na ilalagay ko. First, onion. Then, ilagay ko na itong isang chili, fresh chili. Tapos, ilagay ko na itong pomegranate seed. Pomegranate seed. Atong recipe na ito is Indian recipe. Tapos yan, ilagay ko na itong fennel seed. So, panay seed yan kasi ito vegetarian style of cooking a potato dish. So, kailangan maging golden brown itong onion. So, just saute. At ito pong ilalagay kong potatoes. Ni-boil ito. Bali ito is naluto na. So, may-cut ko siya ng cube. May-cut ko ng cube. Just saute all the seeds. So, ang nilagay ko po dito is I put cumin, fennel, pomegranate seed, and of course the fresh chili and the 2 onions. So, tapos nyan, after that, lagyan ko siya ng, I have to put, this, cumin powder, and then, that is coriander powder. This one is cumin powder, a little bit brown, and of course, turmeric powder, and chili powder, and of course, salt. So, just okay. And then after that, we have to put now our finished cube potatoes. So that's it. So I need something to do like this so everybody can see how I make my vegetarian dish. It's only new recipe of potato. See that? So we have to taste. We should make it dry. Now I put salt. Last but not the least, I have to put this one. This one is mango powder, so that a little bit sour. So look. Looks good. That's all. Bye.